Okay. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, yet another episode of The Point of View, where no one is ever wrong. It depends on the point of view where you are standing at. Okokuqala nje ke, we've got Usis Asanda in the building. Before Skruba, you are doing very much there on TikTok, Chief. I've seen you on some of the episodes. Izapha kwamakhelwane pha usebenza khona.
Uh, yeah, I try.
Okay, ayawutry uyenza. Usondele emicini ngentombi. You are not far off from what we say trending, right? When we are speaking on something that is trending, would you disagree or agree about that?
About the color purple.
Now you are not far off from lento to trending. Near trend.
I'd like to disagree.
Okay. Ndigenda kubona ku TikTok uyatrenda nje on a daily. Ndiyaxoxa. Ayalo bawusho ithi ngabe le address yakho lapha your on TikTok.
It's the real Asanda Adija.
The real Asanda Adija. Go check her on on TikTok. Ubone ukuthi what do I mean when I say this lady is nothing less from trending and talented. Sis Asanda, introduce yourself. This is The Point of View. You are sitting with Z of Z Photography Studios, and you are?
I am Asanda Kumalo, and I'm a model. I was an honor student, but I just...
Okay, honor student.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Degree engezansi ngiphi?
It's Bachelor of Social Science in Anthropology.
Oh, uzenza ianthro. Phina ntombi?
Howard College, KZN.
Ah, okay, all right. I am an alumni of that place. So are you now? You're no longer registered. Do you drop out your masters? Ish. Yes. Good question. Wait for it. Kwasweleka usupervisor. That is what I would like people to believe. Because I know I no supervise. But mainly, to be quite honest, I was business minded more than I was school orientated. So what had happened was, I'm no supervisor, we're too close. I had a store at Howard College selling perfumes, and while I've been the whole degree, we ended up being too close or understand the business side of me so much that the academic side. So whatever tries for business. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it does.
So when I sent drop out, unfortunately, his time came and then I was a dropout. Sad story, ne?
Yeah, very sad.
Yeah, I can't like. So, sad story. See now, social sciences don't be anthro, and all right. Anthropology ke mntakwethu azange ndiyenze mina. Can you just brief me kuyo so that we can talk about what you want to talk about today?
Oh, anthropology is the study of mankind.
Okay.
It's basically studying about different cultures.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, like culture mhlawumbe singathi which culture do you remember while you were doing your undergrad? Or ikhumbula ukuthi this is what we learned about. Anything at all, it can be randomized.
Well, its main focus is on research. So, anthropologists do ethnography, what is called ethnography,
Okay.
whereby they go to communities and just study the way they live and the food they eat.
Oh,
Ethnography.
Okay, ethnographic study.
Yeah.
Kavele uthathe microphone yakho siyibambe olhlobo ngoba nifuna ukuthi uvakale. Thatha nje niyiphakamisa. Awuvele.
this?
No, yonke into nje bandisenze.
Okay.
Ethnographic study, if I'm not mistaken and I'm getting my facts right, that is a type of study whereby you immerse yourself in that study, whatever you're studying. That means if we are emaparin, you're going to live with them
Like a para, yeah.
and smoke whatever they are smoking and get the best results you can.
Got it right.
Ansakhumbula man, I want to school fees.
Did you also do anthro?
No, I did is social work my undergrad and then sociology for my masters. Lenda drop out akuyo. But now I'm doing podcasting and photography. I'm a photographer by profession. Qualification, I'm a social worker. But as call up, see, something is trending on social media, which is the color
Purple.
What do you understand about the color purple? What can you tell me about the color purple?
Okay. I also don't know much about the topic, but into eyenzeka ukuthi when I got into TikTok this other day,
Okay.
I saw this girl. I showed Guguti. Everyone has to change my profile pictures to purple.
All right.
So as to raise awareness
Alright.
gender-based violence.
Ah.
And ngacabanga ukuthi that girl was from i-organization Women for Change.
All right.
Ngabona ukuthi Women for Change vele bengazi ukuthi like the color yeah I don't know if it's a logo or what.
Oh.
It's purple. So ngacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe choose purple because of that. So I don't know.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
okay.
all right. Hey,
Yeah, so it's basically raising awareness.
speaking of which,
Okay.
yazi ukuthi ngoku uzonisolisa. So their logo was always purple.
Yeah.
So
always
now
has
the
been.
color is now associated with gender-based violence.
Gender-based violence.
So in history of gender-based violence, nje, have you ever associated, like, has it ever been associated with that color? Anyone in the room? Ever since you got gender-based violence, was it a color that is known for? Okay, zinto zinje, but I doubt it had a color before. Okay, just like cancer, it's pink,
Yeah.
and HIV is red.
It's red.
And what else?
What else?
There is LGBTQI plus, it's
rainbow.
rainbow. And what else? What else? But I didn't know into kokubana GBV in a color. Sendibone ngo purple it is. Let us not discuss the politics of the color, but what does it mean to you?
The color.
No. Besides the
The-
color,
the whole
like
thing.
the whole movement.
Well, it's raising awareness njengoba bese ngishilo because we've realized ukuthi like Women for Change has realized ukuthi ku increasile inumber ye gender based violence.
Okay.
So they've decided ukuthi ke benze this movement
Yo.
so that abantu would be aware and learn more about gender based violence and ama consequences ayo. And I think the purpose ukuthi vele at the end of the day inciphe, like the number decrease.
All right. So which is also something that you are for.
Yeah.
Ukwehla kwayo.
Definitely.
So I don't want to ask ukuthi personally wena yourself yeke leyo yam nawe leyo off camera, but have you observed or experienced from looking outside, not being ethnographic about, like from an observation, a qualitative study? Yeah, your answer. Have you ever experienced?
Gender based violence?
Not wena yourself, like.
Yeah, I have.
So
plenty of
take me
time.
through the story and just if you can.
Okay. I don't want to use names.
I
and
know,
I don't.
confidential.
Yeah. But okay, I'll start by saying lento gender based violence, I'd say qali manje. It's
Okay.
rooted kusukela kudala nje because
Dala abantu babhonyana.
yeah,
Okay.
because ngimengibuka even uShaka
Ha.
like there's been
Oh.
this idea yokuthi kune patriarchy
Okay.
that men are okay. I'm not saying
Alright.
okay.
Nandiyakuva. No, thetha mama we are protected.
Yeah, I'm not saying kwabantu besilisa ayenzeki, but iyenzeka kakhulu kubantu besifazane.
Okay.
Because abantu besilisa are more masculine, are more, you know.
Yeah.
So kusukela kudala ke abantu besilisa bebenalo umqondo ukuthi nje akungeke ize ngiphathe umfazi. So
Okay.
if umfazi doesn't align with ama rules alowo muntu lowo,
Yo.
hayi mina trapwe abanye.
Oh, okay. So into endala le.
Yeah,
So
I'd say that.
kahle hle umethu pheplo waqala mandulo ngasikhathi sashara.
Yeah.
Eish, yeah ne. Amadoda asile man. Ngalendlela.
Okay.
So but at the same time iqale kudala kangaka. Now I want to put a challenge to you. Now that you are here and yenzeka in your generation, ngokusekuphila wena. Intoni wena othi just like Women for Change you are going to support, and in your own way how would you put an end if you were to be given that power as the president of South Africa? Nanku sisasanda. Honorable members.
Okay, at first, mhlambe nginga
Hayi president yonke into everything that you say goes. Unayo yonke budget. Change. Patriarch.
okay. Ngingafaka ama programs that are gonna teach abantu about this thing. And also Do what?
Okay. So it's yours is program based.
Yeah.
So you'd send up, mhlambe, what type of people are doing that teaching?
There are organizations like
Oh, okay. So ungafanda ama-organizations
Yeah,
like
definitely.
what is the organization? Lear Change?
mm,
Women for Change. So
yeah.
you would fund more organizations to go and fight the scourge of gender-based violence.
Yeah.
All right. So when you're in your own individual capacity, ke ngoku, let's say your younger brother is starting to show signs of isandla esilula, what do you do? What do you say? Yamfundisa ke ngoku.
My younger brother. Okay.
Now, boo, shawuse sokomncane. Ayibo, nenzani lapho? Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena wenzani. Mosufika ke. Now usuyabona ukuthi this is not just a fight.
I think
It's gender based.
yeah, I think ngingaqala ngifuna ukuthola the root cause ukuthi yini emenze waze watriggerisheka to the point yokuthi azamshaya, because ayiveli qale into.
Okay.
It's triggered by something. So
Yeah. Ne?
ngafuna mhlambe the root cause and then try to work on that
Okay.
and then ngimfundise ukuthi no, you mustn't
You
do
mustn't do this. Okay. Now let's change the scenario. Ndiyayibona le yakho umfundisile and you started with the root cause.
that. Yeah.
Now it's now Lena, it's a bit tricky. You can choose to answer or not. We are, it's Friday and kuholiwe eThekwini and everyone is going to Florida Road. Oh sis. By clubbing. Abaphatha ngamali. Uyayazi lo situation. But no sizoyithola phambili. Now because of ipatriarchy, the madodas
Yeah.
khona going to bhatal.
Providers.
And then when they hluleka to bhatal, when they bhatal and hluleka to serve what they were expected to do, they are getting murdered, which also contributes to what? Gender-based
Gender-based
violence. What do you say to those ladies, xa behamba? Ayithetha nabo sis, nabo. Borooms, asike sinje borooms. From me? Nakurooms.
I'd ask them to erase lento yokuthi when you go into a place uhamba unganamali expecting ukuthi ufike wenzelwe into.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not saying that is the main contributor of gender-based violence.
Yeah.
But ikhona enye etholakala. Would you agree or disagree? With ikhona enye nje etholakala. Mhlawumbe we can make examples. There are two ladies who were found dead not so long ago.
Yeah.
And apparently there was a 10,000 story going on.
Okay.
No, are you up to date with that one?
Yeah.
Yes. So bekhona gender based because it was done by a man to a female and it was
Yeah.
gender based. So there was also another one of a man with a t-shirt and stripes. Yes.
Last
You remember that one? That it was last yearish, if it's not this year. Time flies. So again, I would say that was gender based. Wouldn't you agree? So again, there was favors that were supposed. So that is why I am taking you to these scenarios where the perpetrator might be in a position where they feel like I should do it. No, that's not true. Cool. We're having a conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get your question.
So no. My question is, what do you say to Orumza when they're about to leave? So you answer Rishile basically. But I just wanted a perspective from a female talking to other females. Singayisi kuma perpetrators kuphela.
I'd say umuntu vethu akamukele isimo. If you have no money, just sit in and have fun ngendlela
Okay.
other than just going out wazi kahle ukuthi awunamali.
Okay, Ntombi. Ndizokuyeka uhambe ngoku. But before I do, I would like you to reintroduce yourself and what do you do and ukuthi utholakala laphi. So this is when you shine on your social media accounts and stuff. Asihambe sis.
Okay.
With full confidence le njengoba ukuthengisa abantu ngene ukubona xa uthengisa. Asihambe.
Okay. My name is Asanda Kumalo. On my socials, TikTok, The Real Asanda Adija, and on Instagram, Asanda_Adija.
Hey, sibulele akunhloni ngena.
Yo.
Hey, nerve-wracking, ne?
Yeah.
Siqubile ke, it was the point of view where no one is over. It depends on the point of view where you're standing at. We had Asanda Adija in the building. Thank you.